The first step is to add your LinkedIn account. Go to the LinkedIn account tab and click on the Add LinkedIn Account button. This will open up the LinkedIn Access tab. On this tab, enter your LinkedIn email and password. Once your details are entered, choose the country where you normally use LinkedIn and connect your account. LinkedIn may prompt you with a one-time password, after which your account will be connected to Konnector. Step 2 is to set up your leads. Go to the Leads tab, where you'll see the Add Lead List button. Click on it, select your LinkedIn account, and give your lead list a name. Next, copy and paste the LinkedIn URL of the account or search results you'd like to use, and then hit Create. Once created, your lead list will appear under the Lead List tab. Now let's move to Step 3, Creating a Campaign. Head to the Campaign tab and click on Create Campaign. This will redirect you to a new campaign page. Under Campaign Details, you can select multiple LinkedIn profiles to act as senders. These senders will handle sending connection requests, messages, likes, comments, and follows on your behalf. Give your campaign a name and then decide whether you want comments to post automatically or only after your approval. You can also choose to send emails from specific email IDs if needed. Next, choose your leads. You can pick them from any of the lead lists you've created and add them directly to the campaign. Once you've done that, click Continue and select a campaign flow. For example, one flow could be to comment on a lead's post, follow their profile, send a connection request, and then send a first message. After reviewing your flow, hit Continue and launch the campaign. And that's it.